promise is a delicate thing, a thread that weaves trust and commitment together. But when it's broken, the fabric of our relationship can be torn apart, leaving scars that may never fully heal. The anatomy of a broken promise is a complex and painful thing, a dissection of what once was and what could have been. This poem explores the theme of broken promises and the pain that follows, capturing the complexity of emotions and the weight of lost trust. It's a reflection on the anatomy of a broken promise and the scars that remain long after the words are spoken. The anatomy of a broken promise. In the silence, I heard the words unsaid, a promise unkept, a vow that's dead, the echoes of what could have been, a haunting refrain, a reminder of the trust that's lost, the love that's in vain. The memories linger, a bittersweet pain, a nostalgia for what we once sustained. The laughter, the tears, the moments we shared, now tainted by the weight of a promise impaired. The weight of broken vows, it presses down on me, a heavy heart, a soul that's lost at sea. The anchors that once held, now broken and worn, a shipwreck of trust, a love that's forlorn. In the darkness, I search for a light, a glimmer of hope, a beacon in the night. But the shadows loom, a reminder of what's past, a promise broken, a love that won't last. The anatomy of a broken promise, a dissection of pain, a study of what could have been, a love that's in vain. The scars that remain, a chronicle to what's lost, a reminder of the trust that's been crossed. The words that were spoken now seem like a lie, a deceitful tongue, a heart that's gone dry. The love that we shared now tainted by distrust, a relationship frayed, a bond that's lost in its lust. In the aftermath, I'm left to pick up the pieces, a shattered dream, a love that's been released. The memories linger, a bittersweet refrain, a reminder of what could have been, a love that's in vain. The fractured vows, they still remain, a chronicle to what's lost, a love that's in pain. A reminder of the trust that's been broken, a heart that's shattered, a love that's unspoken.